You are going to love the 2019 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.